considering the fact that people aren't out here enjoying such beautiful natural things, I thought that I'd bring it to the table. Jehovah is truly glorious with these beautiful flowers. Oh, you want the name? Yeah, you'll have to research, just like you're doing everything else. But yes, Jehovah is always much more busy and always listening, not just to me though, but directly to you. As a matter of fact, he's listening to you before you even speak. That's how he knows what you're gonna do before you do it. Those are pretty with the raindrops on it, no?